Behind IKEA's cheerful blue and yellow facade and its promise of stylish, affordable furniture lies a story that is far more complex than it appears. Known for transforming how the world decorates its homes, IKEA is celebrated for its innovation and design. However, beneath the surface, several controversies exist. From allegations of tax avoidance to questions about sustainability and labor practices, the reality of IKEA reveals a giant grappling with its global impact. In this video, we will explore the untold story behind IKEA's success, its most troubling controversies, and whether this furniture powerhouse is as flawless as its pristine showroom displays suggest. IKEA's annual revenue has consistently grown over the past 2 decades. In 2024, it reached over 45 billion euros. IKEA is more than just a furniture retailer. It has become a global phenomenon. With iconic blue and yellow buildings and affordable yet stylish flat-pack furniture, IKEA is now synonymous with modern living. How did a small company founded in a tiny Swedish village become a multinational giant? What is the truth behind IKEA's success, business practices, and impact on the world? IKEA was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad, a 17-year-old entrepreneur from the small Swedish town of Älmhult. The name IKEA is an acronym: I for Ingvar, K for Kamprad, E for Elmteryd, his family farm, and A for Agunnaryd, his hometown. Initially, IKEA sold small items such as pens, wallets, and picture frames. However, it wasn't until 1948 that the company ventured into furniture. The first IKEA catalog was printed in 1951, a move that would later define its marketing strategy and establish its global brand identity. Kamprad's vision was clear from the beginning: to provide affordable, functional furniture for everyone. Growing up in a modest household, he understood the importance of value and accessibility. This philosophy became the cornerstone of IKEA's mission and remains central to its operations today. One of IKEA's most significant innovations and a key factor in its global success was the introduction of flat-pack furniture. Launched in the 1950s, this approach allowed IKEA to reduce manufacturing, shipping, and storage costs. Customers could purchase furniture in compact boxes and assemble it themselves at home, making the process both economical and empowering. This do-it-yourself model also fosters a sense of involvement among customers, making furniture assembly part of the overall IKEA experience. Walking into an IKEA store feels like embarking on an adventure. The unique layout, often called a maze, is carefully designed to guide customers along a predetermined path. This strategy, known as the long natural path, ensures shoppers encounter as many products as possible, encouraging impulse purchases. While this layout has drawn criticism for being manipulative, its effectiveness is undeniable. Studies show that IKEA's store design increases the likelihood of customers spending more time and money inside the store. Along the way, strategically placed shortcuts and signage provide a sense of control, but the overarching goal remains clear: to maximize exposure to IKEA's wide range of products. IKEA's promise of affordable yet stylish furniture has made it a favorite among millions of households. However, critics argue that these low prices come at a cost in terms of quality and sustainability. While IKEA's products are designed to be functional and affordable, they often lack longevity. Many items are made from particle board, less durable than solid wood. Despite its sustainability initiatives, IKEA has been criticized for contributing to a throwaway culture. The affordability of its products often leads to overconsumption and waste. IKEA has faced scrutiny over its labor practices, particularly in developing countries. Allegations of low wages and poor working conditions have occasionally tarnished its reputation. In recent years, IKEA has made significant progress in becoming a more sustainable company. Its ambitious goals include achieving climate positivity by 2030, using 100% renewable and recycled materials in its products, and reducing its carbon footprint across the supply chain. One notable initiative is IKEA's commitment to sourcing wood responsibly. As one of the largest consumers of wood in the world, the company has partnered with organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council to ensure sustainable forestry practices. Additionally, IKEA has invested in renewable energy sources, including wind and solar farms, to power its operations. While these efforts are commendable, some skeptics question whether IKEA's scale and business model can genuinely align with sustainability. Balancing growth with environmental responsibility remains one of its most significant challenges. Psychologists have coined the term IKEA effect to describe the increased value people place on items they help create. IKEA taps into a sense of pride and accomplishment by involving customers in the assembly process. This psychological phenomenon enhances customer satisfaction and fosters loyalty to the brand. Beyond its products, IKEA has become a cultural icon. Its furniture and designs are featured in movies, TV shows, and social media, reinforcing its status as a symbol of modern living. The brand's ability to connect with consumers personally and emotionally has played a crucial role in its global success. IKEA operates in over 50 countries with over 450 stores worldwide. Its ability to adapt to local markets has been a key factor in its expansion. For instance, IKEA introduced smaller store formats and products tailored to local tastes and needs in India. The company focused on online sales and delivery in China to cater to urban consumers. Despite its global presence, IKEA has maintained its Swedish identity by emphasizing minimalist design and functional aesthetics. This consistency has helped the brand build trust and recognition across diverse markets. While IKEA is often celebrated for its innovation and affordability, the company has also faced controversy. IKEA has been accused of using complex corporate structures to avoid paying taxes. In 2017, the European Commission investigated the company's tax arrangements. Allegations of poor working conditions in factories supplying IKEA have occasionally emerged. The company has taken steps to address these concerns, but continues to face scrutiny. In 2017, a team of French journalists discovered that IKEA was cutting down 200-year-old trees and converting them into particle board at their sub-supplier Kronospan's factory in Sibiu, Romania. In 2020, the NGO Earthsite found that IKEA and other companies were selling furniture made from wood that had been illegally felled during silent periods in the forests of the Ukrainian Carpathians. Despite its illegal sourcing, the Forest Stewardship Council certified this wood. In 2021, Earthsite alleged that IKEA and other companies were using illegally logged wood from protected forests in Russia, which were owned by millionaire politician Evgeny Bakyura. Despite its sustainability initiatives, IKEA's reliance on mass production and global supply chains has raised questions about its environmental footprint. These controversies highlight the challenges of balancing business growth with ethical and social responsibility. One of the key elements that sets IKEA apart is the unique experience it provides. From the moment customers enter the store, they are enveloped in a world of inspiration and possibilities. The in-store restaurants, which offers Swedish meatballs and other delicacies, enhance the attraction, transforming a shopping trip into a delightful day out. IKEA's transformation from a small Swedish startup into a global powerhouse is remarkable. Its innovative strategies in design, affordability, and customer experience have redefined the furniture industry and influenced countless lives. As IKEA continues to evolve, one thing remains clear: its impact on the world is extensive and lasting. Whether you love it or question its practices, there's no denying that IKEA has changed the way we live, shop, and view design. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating stories like this one.